So, running cost. Yung running cost is yun daw yung cost na kailangan para mapatakbo o mapanatili yung isang business o yung isang organization. Well, yun yung general term ng running cost. Pero pag magiging specific tayo, maintenance cost, expedite cost, at saka operational cost yan o operational expenses. Cost is other term for expenses. So, yun yung general term, yung running cost, and then yung very specific nun, operational cost, maintenance cost, at saka expedite cost. So, dapat alam natin yung although sige, concentrate tayo sa specific, pero dapat alam natin yung general. Kasi hindi naman tayo, agaya ko, hindi naman ako accountant, di ba? Yung mga CPAs lang yan, yung expedite cost at saka yung operational cost. Hindi naman ako engineers para maano mo yung operational cost na yan. Para masabi ko yung operational cost, hindi naman ako engineer, di ba? So, yung general term nun is running cost. So, yun lang po.